Main gear touchdown. Pilot Jim Dutton now deploying the drag chute.
We don't shrink away in the face of a challenge, do we? No. We persevere. We persevere. Look at this towel. I don't even know where this thing came from. Probably an ex from decades ago. Well, you disrespect me, lady. Look where your towels end up. So, we pay it forward. This hiss is at max gain. I'm incredibly elated that she came together so nicely. What a battle last night, though, let me tell you. I'm inside one Randy 5150 Iconic Series combo. The old 40 water with excessive hiss and some intermittent signal. I think I spy a little plate resistor down there. Acting up. I am not relishing this, because I know what it's going to take to get this puppy out. Listen to this. You hear that? Can't even capture this on. This is very tight construction, very tight quarters here. You hear that? Let me go to the other side. There's a intermittent joint. Whoop. Let me get down there. Just can't even get close to capturing this. There's an intermittent joint. Right there. Hear that? All right. Woo! Let me put it back into the cab and do a proper audio demo. All right, buddy, just a quick sound sample. Your volume is about 75%, gain's about 75%. Tone controls are about 75%. Much less hiss than before, but she's god-awful loud altogether. So I'll just give you a quick sample. My guitar rolling up there. Little single coils. Need to clean up my playing a bit. It's been a long time since I played anything other than a Strat. So long. That's all we have time for today. Bye-bye.